The Medela Freestyle is perfect for moms that pump regularly. Its lightweight motor runs on a rechargeable battery, meaning you can pump anywhere, anytime. This pump is available for an upgrade fee through Ashland Women's Health. To use the Freestyle, start by inserting the membrane into the base of the breast shield connector. Once they're connected, fasten the back cap and ensure all 3 snaps are engaged. Then, push the breast shield onto the connector and screw in the bottle. Connect your breast shield to the motor by inserting the short end of the tubing into the back cap and long end into the motor. If you would like to single pump, simply insert the unused tube into the Y connector. To use your pump, begin by pressing the center power button. The Freestyle will automatically start you off in stimulation mode to facilitate your milk letdown, and will switch over to expression mode after 2 minutes. If your milk flow starts sooner than that, press the letdown button to manually make the switch. Use the plus and minus buttons at the top of the pump to increase or decrease speed and suction at any time. Once you find a suction speed that is comfortable for you, press and hold the memory button for 3 seconds to save that pumping pattern. The next time you pump, use the memory button to take you to your favorite setting automatically. Now you're all set to use the Medela Freestyle. For more information on how you can get this breast pump, visit us at ashlandhealthrx.com.